Power up your workouts and maximize your gains with protein powder, the ultimate fuel for building strength, enhancing recovery, and achieving your fitness goals. Protein powders act as supplements, boosting the body's ability to build muscle by supplying essential amino acids, the building blocks for muscle growth and repair. Consuming these powders can support weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness, reducing the urge to snack, and aiding in muscle definition. Here are the types of protein powder, each providing different advantages tailored to individual needs and tastes. Whey boosts muscle recovery and growth quickly, great for after workouts. Casein helps muscles repair overnight due to its slow digestion. Soy offers all needed muscle building blocks without dairy. Pea supports muscle growth with special building blocks, ideal for plant-based diets. Hemp nourishes with muscle building blocks and healthy fats, perfect for dairy-free diets. Now let's discover the benefits that protein powder brings to the table. Number 1. Muscle growth and repair. Protein powder helps in the growth and repair of muscle fibers, essential for athletes and those recovering from injuries. It also aids in the production of hormones and enzymes vital for body functions. Number 2. Weight management. Consuming protein powder can make you feel fuller for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent snacking. It also has the potential to lower blood pressure and cholesterol, contributing to heart health. Number 3. Recovery after exercise. Protein powders can accelerate the recovery process by reducing muscle damage and enhancing muscle performance after exercise. This quicker recovery allows for more consistent and intensive training sessions. Number 4. Extra nutrition. For those struggling to meet their daily protein requirements through diet alone, such as vegans, vegetarians, or people with high protein needs, protein powder offers a convenient solution. Supplementing with protein powder ensures they meet these heightened needs without significant dietary changes. Now, here are some ways to enhance the protein powder consumption experience. Smoothies and shakes. Adding protein powder to smoothies and shakes is the most common way to use protein powder. Blend it with fruits, vegetables, milk, or a milk alternative to make a nutritious and filling drink. Oatmeal or porridge. Another clever way of leveling it up is stirring protein powder into your oatmeal or porridge after cooking. It's a great way to boost the protein content of your breakfast. You can also add fruits, nuts, and seeds for extra flavor and nutrients. Baked goods. If you want to add protein to your desserts, you can add protein powder to recipes for muffins, bread, cookies, and cakes. You may replace a portion of the flour with protein powder. Note that you may need to experiment with ratios to maintain the desired texture and taste, since protein powder can affect the moisture content. And that's a wrap. Protein powders serve as a valuable nutritional supplement for various groups, including athletes, the elderly, vegetarians, and vegans. They provide an easily accessible form of complete protein and may offer additional nutrients. Individuals considering adding protein powder to their diet are advised to consult their healthcare provider or nutrition expert before taking these supplements. See you in our next video.